Ilungu lekomiti kasodolophu ejongene nokuhlaliswa koluntu kwisixeko saseGoli uCeba Mlungisi Mabaso uyaqhubeka nokuqinisa inzame zokukhawulelana nomba wokuqweqwediswa kwezakhiwo kwisixeko. Ebutsheni banamhlanje uMabaso utyelele izakhiwo eziliqela ezithinjiweyo kumbindi wedolophu nalapho ufumanise khona izenzo ezininzi ezingekho emthethweni ezibeka umngcipheko wokhuseleko kubahlali. Ethetha negqiza leendaba zeSoweto TV, uMabaso ugxininisa ukuzinikela komasipala kukhuseleko lwabahlali, esitsho esithi lo mba uthathelwa ingqalelo kangangoko ngabasemagunyeni.
Udaba lwamabhilidi aduniwe lusayinkinga eNingizimu Afrika kuzokhumbuleka ngoNhlolanja kulonyaka ngenkathi uNdunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi ethula inkulumo yesimo sesifundazwe. Wabalula ukuthi udaba lwamabhilidi aduniwe lusayinkinga enkulu esifundazweni. Ukusabela kulolu daba umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eGoli usuhlonze amabhilidi ayishumi aduniwe angaphansi kwedolobha. MMC Mlungisi Mabaso uthi umnyango usalinde enye indawo ezohlala abantu abazokhishwa abahlala ngokungemthetho kulamabhilidi ngaphambi kokuthi bakhishwe.
We must prioritize our own properties first to demonstrate that we are serious about cleaning the inner city. We need to turn the inner city into a construction site, but we are unable to do that because majority of the properties here in the inner city, they are occupied. There are properties that are owned by us in the city that are identified as bad buildings where we need to evacuate. But in the process of evacuation, we need to provide an alternative accommodation to the occupiers of these properties, because for us to evacuate so that we are able to work in the buildings must be vacant. So we have taken a decision that we are going to start with our own properties, and as the MMC for Human Settlements, I need to make sure that alternative accommodation is identified. I need to make sure that all these buildings that are owned by the city, people are evacuated out of those properties. Well, what we have seen here now is unfortunate. This is the building that we are owning as the department through Joshco. We've got tenants here that are paying. So in our properties that we are owning, we do have commercial spaces that we lease out for business operations so that people that are residing inside the properties are able to get items from the supermarkets, and also they are able to access certain services from the businesses within the properties that we are owning.
Sisakulona lolu daba uMabaso uye wavakashela kwamanye amabhilidi ngoLwesithathu ezindaweni ezihlanganisa iHillbrow lapha amabhilidi adilikayo azungezwe udoti, iningi lawo ligcwele abantu bokufika abangenazo izimvumo zokuba kwela kuleli. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu.